welcome to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. Today I'm sharing my winter decorate with me. You know, most people decorate it for the holidays and have probably taken your decor down and put it away. And maybe now you're finding yourself in that weird period between when you decorated for the holidays and Valentine's Day and spring, and you may not know which way to go. But for me personally, I will be decorating for spring, but I'm not quite ready yet for that. So I did decide to go with a winter look. You can easily do this by reusing a lot of the pieces that you already have around the house. I didn't really spend that much money on winter specific items. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I came up with going into January. Okay guys, so I'm starting here in my living room by tidying up a bit and removing all of my fall decor. As you may or may not know, I do not decorate for Christmas, so I do leave my fall decor up a little bit longer. However, this year was quite different and my fall decor was up way past the new year, which is so not normal. Which is crazy. But just to let you guys know, to kind of fill you in, the week of Thanksgiving, my daughter, who works in the healthcare field, she got really sick with the high temperature and just not really feeling herself. So she ended up going to the ER, and of course they tested her for COVID, but you still have to wait. So they sent her home, they gave her meds for her temperature, and I believe for the diarrhea that she had. However, over the next few days, she was getting worse and worse. So she went back to the ER, but she went back to a different hospital and received another COVID test, which, you guys, it came back positive. I was devastated, totally devastated. But she not only had COVID at this point, she also had bilateral pneumonia, which is bad. But it's not just a regular pneumonia. I mean, all pneumonia is bad for sure, but this one's not the regular one. She actually had Legionella, if I'm saying that properly, pneumonia, which was awful, you guys. I had never heard of it until this point, and let me tell you guys, you do not want to know anything about this type of pneumonia. So it was an extremely scary situation because we didn't really know how it was going to turn out. We didn't know how she was going to turn out. It was bad. It was really bad. So I know a lot of you guys reached out and was wondering where I was at, why I wasn't putting out videos. I was absent on social media. So I want to say thank you to everyone that reached out. You know who you are, and I really appreciate it. So that kind of tells you a quick summary of what we had going on at the end of 2020. But on a happy note, she is now out of the hospital and she's doing so much better, you guys. And on with wiping off the end tables, and then I'm going to be changing out this fall decor that was up here, and I'm going to be doing a little DIY project with some winter decor that I actually ordered really cheap from Amazon. Dreaming of you.
What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone?
Okay, you guys, so here I actually bought this pillow from Kohl's. It was on the clearance rack for like $5. So I thought it was really cute because I can use it now, and I can also really use it year round just because of the colors that's in it, the whites, the grays, the navy blues, which I absolutely love. So that is this, and I also put up these pictures. I'm not sure, you guys probably already saw them if you follow me on Instagram, because I did put a post up the other day when my husband hung these. I did not put them in the video because he wasn't dressed right when he was hanging these pictures. And as you guys know, my husband tries to be a perfectionist when it comes to hanging pictures. He gets out the leveler as well as like the pencil, and just to make sure that the markers are perfect on there. That is how he is. Me, on the other hand, I just eyeball it and I just put it up there, but not. So those lanterns that you just saw, you guys, I actually got those from the Goodwill for like $2. I thought it was a great find. Just kind of spending some time looking around, doing a little bit of thrifting. I was actually watching Kara Linnell's channel, I believe I'm saying that right. She and her husband just built this beautiful home in South Carolina, and she They are actually going through now and decorating it, and she recently just went thrifting and found some really cute items that I thought was cute. So I said, you know what, I think I can do this. I think I can go thrifting and find some cute things to put in there. Well, all I found was these lanterns that I just talked about that you saw. And I also found these baskets because I'm going to be doing some organization in 2021. Actually, some decluttering and organizing this house because it desperately needs it. I know that you guys may not always see it, but there are spots in here that needs to be decluttered, needs to be organized. So I did find some baskets there. So I'm gonna spray paint them the color that I like, and I'm gonna be using those in future videos. So make sure you stay tuned. And I know I mentioned my Instagram earlier with the pictures. If you are not following me, my Instagram handle is Lofgrenlife. I'm gonna put it here down right below so that way you guys can see that as well.
Your sweetness could reach everyone, there'd be no war.
Okay, you guys, so now I'm just moving on to changing out these pillows. I actually bought these pillow covers from Amazon. To me, it's the most cost-effective way to change out your decor because pillows can be quite pricey, I'm sure you guys know. So I'm actually using that Hello Fall pillow that I had sitting in the basket, as well as I had a couple other pillows that I've just gotten in like bed sets or things like that, and just putting the pillow covers on there. I'll link them down below. And then I'm just gonna move on to vacuuming this floor. You guys, okay, so I had to vacuum the floor because as you saw, when I put the flowers into the vase, all those little white pieces was falling off of it. So I just kind of raked it onto the floor because I knew I was gonna be vacuuming. But let me show you guys, I know it looks like I'm always cleaning a clean house. Like I'm always cleaning. But let me tell you guys, if I don't clean this house or do something every single day, this is what happens. It gets out of control. And all this dirt, you didn't see this getting up off the floor. I mean, it's not that the video is not picking it up. There are things on the floor, on the rugs, in the carpet, dust. There's things that we just don't see. But this tells you, like, look at all this trash. This tells you that things are there and we just don't see it. So we just have to clean. Just clean, clean, and clean. So I don't really put that much up here on the bar counter because people do eat up here. So that way it's not that much to move out the way whenever people do eat at the bar. So now I'm just moving on to the kitchen table. If you haven't seen, I did get a new clock here and I absolutely love it. My husband hung it up some time ago, but I think I'm just now doing a video. So you guys, this may be your first time actually seeing it. And so here I'm just going to be doing another DIY. I'm going to be just putting some fake snow that I got from Amazon. I think I paid like $5 for it, if I'm not mistaken. And I just put a little white candle in this vase. And actually, when I started to put the pine cones in, the vase is a little bit too small for what I wanted to do. But of course, I had another one that was just in the garage. So I'm going to switch everything out from the smaller one into the larger one. And again, still do the same concept, put the white vase in the middle and then put some pine cones around it. And I had some more of those little berries, winter berries left over, and another stem of pine cone or pine tree with some snow on it and little pine cones. So I'm gonna put that in there as well. And that's pretty much it. So this was a quick little DIY that anybody can do. And it's like a Pinterest find that I thought was cute for the table. And I didn't want anything that was too tall to hide the clock. So I thought this was perfect.
Of you. Dreaming 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 of you. I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you.
So you guys, this turned out really cute. I bought these little pine cones with the snow on it from Target, and I already had the clear vase from last summer, so I just put that in there. It was kind of hard putting them through the vase because the hole is pretty small, so I had my son come in to help me push it down in there, which this is how it turned out. So now I'm moving on to this tiered tray that I keep here in the kitchen. I actually bought these cute little books that says hot cocoa and marshmallows, and I think it says candy canes with a little red cup on top. I actually got that from Etsy shop, and I got the little stack of wood also from an Etsy shop, and a little pillow, which I thought was cute too. And then I just put that on. That's pretty much all that I'm doing because, of course, the winter reminds you of hot cocoa. Chase, my youngest one, actually loves cocoa. He pretty much drinks it almost every morning. And I put whipped cream, Cool Whip on top, and he loves that with his breakfast, or either late at night before he goes to bed. So that is what this reminded me of when I was decorating this little tier table here.
Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Okay, so now I'm moving on to the last part that I'm decorating in this video, and that's my entryway. This table, I'm just going to wipe it all down, remove all of my fall decor, and put that away in the tub. And then I'm going to put up my winter decor. And honestly, you guys, some of my winter decor I'm actually going to be using year round. So some of the things that I'm putting out in today's video will also be here year round. So it's not just for the winter. So that way I'm not constantly removing things and decorating. And again, I'm using some of the things that I already have. My pine cones are from the fall decor that I have. Of course, candles, everyone always has and keep them around. I bought this little cute galvanized dish from Home Goods. I thought it was really cute. So I'm just gonna put a candle in there with some berries. And that's really basically all that I'm doing here. Now, I did change things around once I was finished because I thought it looked kind of plain. So I put my lanterns here, and I'll put in a picture of the final look once I'm finished decorating on this one. So make sure you stay, and that way you can see the final look of this entryway table.
Smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. What if the world...
So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys all enjoyed it and you got a ton of minimal winter decor ideas. If you did, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next few days. Bye.